Man, so on this run, guys, I literally just got out of bed. I flipped over, looked at my phone, saw one of my alerts. I saw a G35 coupe that was posted. Stellar deal, but we'll see. It's got paper tags. Why does it have paper tags? I have no idea. I asked the guy. He said he's from Washington. That's why he's got the paper tags on there. But I'm in California. This guy's from LA. You don't trust people from LA. You don't trust people from California. I don't even know if you trust people anymore, just period. But I had him send me some info, and it's too good of a deal. I'm about 30 minutes away, so I gotta just rush down there, check it all out, get my body in front of him. That way someone else doesn't come in on this deal. But I could very well just not do anything. And that's like a real situation right now. I've bought a car before that had $1,000 in back tags, and I bought it all because I trusted the guy. And these are just things you learn along the way. You don't trust absolutely anybody because everyone's just trying to get that cash. Once they get that cash, they're blocking you. They're not talking to you anymore. It's a wrap. And that's not cool with me because you can't sell shady shit, especially for thousands of dollars, and expect like no repercussions, right? I'm getting down there. I'm gonna go check it out. If I have to walk away, I have to walk away. But there's some money to be made, so I need to get out of bed right this second and jet on down there. I also have a guy that pulls my Carfax for me, so I messaged him as soon as I'm leaving the house. I don't even know if he's up yet, but if he's up, hopefully I'll get that Carfax within the next 30 minutes. That's how long my 30-minute drive is. And then I could just peep through everything real quick and see if it's really from Washington, like this guy says. He says he doesn't have the registration paperwork for it either. He says he can get it tomorrow, though. What does that mean? Sounds like a bunch of red flags to me. But you just never know, because every situation is different with every single person, and it's worth me taking 30 minutes out of my day as soon as I wake up, spend $5 on gas to possibly make a few $1,000 bucks. So we're rolling out. We're gonna go check it out, and keep your eyes peeled. Told you guys, no one on the road. California freeway, that don't happen. All right, guys, so let me turn off this heater, dang. So I literally just got the Carfax right now. I am zooming on over there. Everything's up to date with the registration. It is from Washington, which is crazy. People just lie so much, so when you like actually get the truthful information, it makes you be pretty cool with the person, right? So never a record, clean Carfax. It's been registered, it's been serviced, it's got reported history. So all these things are absolutely great. So I'm even more amped than I was before because this G35 coupe looks clean. It's not manual, it's all good. Actually, I can't even remember if they come in manual. I can't remember if the 350Z is the only one, or if they both come in manual at some point in time. Whatever, I can't remember, but it is automatic. They do fetch around 5,500 when they're clean and low miles. This is clean and low miles, so there is money to be made over here. So I will be most likely purchasing this video if everything checks out, if there's no major leaks, transmission smooths good, engine doesn't overheat, all those things. Minor stuff all day, not a problem, I'll take care of it. But let's see, might end up with a little G35 coupe to drive around. So it's never a good sign when you get there and the guy's like wrenching away on the car. And so I get there, the hood's popped, he's like full on in there. The alarm is going off, he can't turn off the alarm. which, whatever, it is what it is. All right, so we get there to check out the G35. So he had it posted for 2,900, 150,000 miles for the G35 coupe. He was willing to take 1,200. But when I got there, he's like full on in the engine bay, doing a bunch of stuff, and it just wasn't gonna work out, man. Their alarm was popping off. And then as soon as I test drove it, knock, 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 knock. I'm like, bro, like, it's all good, man. You'll be able to sell this thing for the price. It's just not gonna be for me. It's too big of a project. Time to get back in the whip. All right, I'm back in my car. Man, that G35 was busted. It wasn't busted. The body was actually pretty good, but literally every single interior piece on that thing was like cracked, broken, chipped. The leather was still good, which was freaking weird. You guys already know G35s, like, you sit on them and they freaking crack and freaking bust into pieces. So the leather is always messed up on those seats. So I was very surprised that I saw the leather was good. So I was pretty confident going in onto this deal. Now, when I got there, this guy was like full on under the hood. The alarm is going bang, bang, bang. And I can tell when I'm walking up, he cannot turn this thing off. So I got there, I disconnected the alarm really quick for him just so I can scope it out and it wasn't so annoying. We're finally able to get the alarm off. We just literally disconnected the I don't know, it's like 3 or 4 cables that go to the actual alarm itself, the horn. So we disconnected that. The lights were still going off. You're still able to turn on the car, but we go on a test drive and knock, 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 knock. I backed it right back in reverse and I told him, you know what, my man, this car just ain't for me. You're gonna sell it, absolutely gonna sell it. And he's like, yeah, I'm not worried. And I know he's gonna sell it, but it's too big of a project for me. It's not for a flip. It's for, a kid, maybe 16, 17-year-old that doesn't have that much cash that wants to get inside of a G. If I spent like $3,000 on it, it would have probably looked nice, but then I'm not getting any money out of it. So that's where I'm at. And I didn't really trust the guy at the end of the day. So it is what it is. On to the next one. You don't always win and you lose a lot. So you always got to bear in mind and due diligence for sure.